Life can feel overwhelming, right? But imagine having a simple tool that can quiet the chaos in just minutes. That's the power of handwriting. Today, we're diving into how journaling can help you find inner calm and reduce stress. Let's get started. Handwriting does more than just help you organize your thoughts. It actually relaxes your mind. Think of it like a mental massage. Just as a massage relaxes your muscles, the act of putting pen to paper helps soothe your brain. It's like giving your mind a mini vacation from the digital world. Studies have shown that handwriting engages the brain in a way that reduces stress and improves focus. When you write by hand, you slow down your thoughts, allowing you to process emotions and reduce anxiety. A study published in Advances in Psychiatric Treatment found that even writing for 15 to 20 minutes on just a few occasions can significantly improve mood and lower stress levels. So, when you need a break from the chaos, journaling by hand can be your way to unwind. To really feel the benefits of journaling, it's all about consistency. Journaling is like a workout for your mind. The more you do it, the stronger and calmer you'll feel. And it doesn't have to take up much of your day. For instance, Sarah, a busy mom of 2, found that just 10 minutes of journaling during her kids' nap time helped her feel more centered and patient throughout the day. Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes, those few moments of writing can shift your mood and give you a sense of calm. Make it a habit, and you'll see that journaling becomes your go-to way to process stress and check in with yourself. The more you write, the more you'll notice how grounded you feel. So, how do you make journaling a habit? Remember the 3 S's of journaling success. Number 1, start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. Number 2, schedule it. Fit journaling into your routine, whether it's your morning coffee or right before bed. Number 3, simplify with prompts. Use easy questions to get started, like, what's one thing I'm proud of today? Or, what's one thing I'm grateful for? These 3 S's make journaling easy to stick with, even when life gets busy. Remember, it's not about writing perfectly. It's about creating a moment to connect with your thoughts and feelings each day. Journaling is more than just a way to manage stress. It's a tool for self-discovery. The more you write, the more you start to notice patterns in your thoughts and emotions. You might realize that certain situations always trigger stress, or that certain habits bring you joy. This awareness gives you the power to make positive changes in your life. In my own journaling journey, I started noticing that I often wrote about feeling rushed in the mornings. This awareness helped me realize that I needed a better morning routine. Now, I start my day with more calm and intention, thanks to what I learned through journaling. This is the real power of writing. It helps you become more self-aware so you can make choices that support your well-being. Now, let's try something together. Grab a pen and paper, and let's do a quick journaling exercise. Write about this. What's one small thing I can do today to feel calmer? If that doesn't resonate, try these. What's a small victory I had today? Or, what's something I'm looking forward to? Take a few minutes to reflect and see how this simple act of writing can shift your mindset. I challenge you to journal for just 5 minutes a day for the next week. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. Write about your day, your feelings, or use one of the prompts we just did. And if you want to share how it's going, drop a comment below. Let's support each other on this journey to inner calm. Remember that mental chaos we talked about at the beginning? With consistent journaling, you now have a powerful tool to quiet that noise and find your inner calm. Keep writing, keep growing, and keep finding your peace. Thanks for joining me on this 5-part series, and stay tuned for more videos on mindfulness and balance in everyday life. See you soon.